Hello, welcome to the Nigerian Investors Podcast, the unofficial podcast that tracks and reports on the activities of the Nigerian boss. My name is Moody, and with my colleague Ayi, we will be hosting this podcast. TNI Podcast is dedicated to stimulating a renewed enthusiasm among the general population with regard to the activities of the Nigerian Stock Exchange. Ultimately, the goal of TNI is to see that many Nigerians from all walks of life, both at home and in the diasporas, become active participants on the floor of the Nigerian Stock Exchange. Before we go further, we would like to place on record TNI podcast is solely for educational purposes and not a replacement for professional financial advice. Let's begin.
My journey into the realm of investment is, it was through painful experience. Then I started making money in around 2015. Then, I was hustling, making money, just want to survive, you know. But I discovered along the way that, it's one thing to make money, it's another thing to manage money, and it's a very big thing to multiply money. I was just making money. I was not financially educated then. So I was just making money, making money. The more I make money, the more I lose money. Until I lost all my savings, I think during the coronavirus to a Ponzi scheme. So no, then I was calling myself investor. As I was making money, I was investing into all these Ponzi schemes, 70% per month, 50% per month. I thought I was a good investor until I lost everything. So it was when I lose everything and I came to my understanding that you need to be financially educated, you need to get knowledge before you can actually be successful in this journey. So that was when I started buying books, started watching podcasts like this, started consulting people that have more knowledge than me. So that was when I started investing. That was when I started investing. But I started first with knowledge to understand the market, to understand the risk and the reward that is in the financial market.
And you've built a strong presence online as the profitable man. So we are
Yes.
wondering what inspired this name and what is the mission behind the profitable man?
Okay. The name Profitable Man, it's I don't want to call it a revelation. It's like it was revealed unto me. When you call yourself something, it's just like just like David calling yourself a king when you are not yet a king. You know that you have to work hard to that position, you have to work hard, do anything you can do to get to that position. So Profitable Man is a name that just inspired me to be always active, always do my best, always go for better things and always move forward. So that's why I give myself the Profitable Man. I believe that in anything, even if I choose to sell pepper, I will still be the best pepper seller in the community or anywhere I choose. So the name Profitable Man is a name that is not first about money. It's first of all being profitable in mind, from your mind. Are you profitable? Because if you don't think of profit, you will not make profit. Okay, currently one of the biggest mistakes the young investor, Nigerian investor are making is that they are following the hype. They are following the hype.
Mm-hmm.
One thing is now common among the brokers now. They will just come up and say this particular stock has performed this month. This one has performed this month, and they will not tell you the fundamentals or what is with the factors
Behind it. Yeah.
behind it. They will not tell you, and you will see that okay, um, Sunu Assurance 180% in a week. Wow, let me put my money. So by next week, it will enter 350%. So I'll now take out my money, and they will put in their money, and they will cry at the end of the day. They will
Yeah.
cry because they don't understand. They just think that you can just put your money, make profit, and come out. They don't even understand how the stock market works. They don't understand what they are doing. They don't know. They are just following the hype. Oh, he said he wants stock, better class, this and this. and they put their money into, and the money they are putting is not even, maybe it's their school fees, their house rent, or the money they month, and they put it in the stock market and they are stuck. And they will not be crying
Oh
that,
God.
they will not be saying negative things on social media that Nigeria stock market is not good, it's bad, you will waste your money, you will cry. So people just follow the hype without the knowledge. And the one thing is that, you see, if you don't know, I think it's Warren Buffett that said is that anywhere you are putting your money into, make sure you have the knowledge of the market. Make sure you understand it. I read it in this book, The Richest Man in Babylon, that don't put your money into any investment you don't understand. And if you don't understand it, go to someone that has the knowledge to explain it to you. That is why my favorite book will say that buy the truth and sell it not. So you must buy the truth before you buy the stock. Don't buy the stock without buying the truth behind it. So buy the truth and buy the stock. Because the real investors, they buy the truth before the stock because they know what they are doing. So if they don't buy the truth, they will not buy the stock. So many investors in Nigeria right now, they are making the mistake of skipping the knowledge and they want to make money. And it's not going to work like that. You can't skip the class. You have to understand before you go into the.
Thank you for listening to another episode of the favorite podcast that brings insight to the Nigerian stock market. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. To get more episodes like this, follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Amazon Music, Apple Podcasts, Spotify Podcasts, as well as on our website. All this information is available in the show note below this episode. Until we bring you another episode your way next week. Bye for now. TNI Podcast is executive produced by Moody. This episode was edited by Rona at Rock Quarry Village Studio.